back to Flash Custom Transfers. Today we are in the shop. I'm about to roll out this big order that we have. Is 432 inches of transfers, which is 6 22 by 72s for only $134 or $22 a piece. It is bright out here. $22 a piece for a 22 by 72. So I wanted to roll it out and show you guys this humongous order. So let's go ahead and get started, and then I'll give you guys a tour around. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and roll out this 432 inch gang sheet, 22 by 432 for only $132. Let's go ahead and roll it out. Y'all ready?
Let's go.
Rock your body. Honey, you're gonna have to catch it at the end if so it doesn't
Okay.
fall. What?
No, you're fine. I'll tell you when to slow up. You got a little bit. I just wanted to tell them how awesome our roller.
Yeah, that's what I say. Hold on.
How awesome our roller is.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right, it is nice and hot in Flash Custom Transfers. I have this open for now. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour since it's daylight, so let's do it. All righty, welcome to Flash Custom Transfers. As you guys know, we are a family-owned business, husband and wife. We manufacture DTF transfers out of our garage. So this is Flash Custom Transfers. We've been selling transfers since 2021. So here we go. So this is our 2-head printer here, our shaker. We definitely have a fume extractor to have proper ventilation. Let's see what we got. We have our consumables there. We have our printer here, my husband's little station, and this is just regular garage stuff. We definitely print at night. Here in our home, we get free electricity. Here in our home, we get free electricity from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. So we do all our printing at night. Right here, if it gets a little hot in here, we have this portable AC. We have teenagers here to help us in case we need help. We do have these, since we have a 22 inch, we have these 12 inch DTF film here for sale, $30 a piece. I have 4 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my station where I roll up. If you guys seen my social media and other videos where I'm rolling up there. We have our transfers here. So I'll do another one tonight when we're live in action. This is just during the day. We were just doing a little filming out here. So stay tuned for our live in action section. All right, let's go ahead and pack these up. Let's get them, honey. Bring them inside and let's get these shipped out. Let me show you where we ship out. All right, so this is where we ship out. Here in our home, we have a office area where we do our work. We have straight out of content, Flash Custom Transfers headquarters, of course, and this is where we ship out. So we have our shipping boxes, tape, scale, all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get these orders ready to drop off at UPS. All right, this one needs to be weighed. So I'm gonna round up to 2. All right, to UPS they go. Day in the life of a small business owner, Flash Custom Transfers. Let's head on over to UPS. We actually have a desk. We're gonna also pick up 2 for my husband. He needs more space. So we're gonna go drop these off at UPS and then go pick up a desk. So follow along, let's go. We only got 15 minutes, stat. We only got 15 minutes. We only got 15 minutes.
Oh no.
15 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and grab these. Put these down. Do you need help?
Yes.
Okay, I got one. Rock your body. All right, so we got the desk. We went to UPS. We got us some lunch. We see that the snack wraps are back from Mickey D's. Oops, making a mess. So we went ahead and we're gonna try them. Donovan doesn't know about the snack wraps. It's good? Let's see. So we got it's worth the hype. Mm-hmm. This is the spicy one. I like the sauce. If they were $1, they're like $3 now in this economy.
Okay.
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 Oh, the spicy one?
It hit like a little bit. We got a little tang, you know.
Mm-hmm.
What's kind of that?
Get it. Yeah, he said it was the alignment was off. So the boys going to the park with the neighbors. Carl just got through pumping him up, pumping up his tires like a man should do. And now he's going.
Oh, and then Lou will have her friend, and then all her friends.
Yeah.
Parenting.
Parenting. Yay. All right, let's go back and work on the website.
Yes. And then maybe in a week
No.
we'll do this.
You promise.
I promise you what? It'll be here on the 18th.
Right after the website. You promise.
It'll be here on the
This is our desk. It's waiting. Yes. And then this is what it looks like before. Because in 10 minutes, it will be different. Uh-oh. Who's calling? Justin 2023. Oh, I thought that was our work phone. All right. So this is our before. Carl's about to put that desk together. Before. Alright. This is the before. Let's do a quick walk around. Okay, y'all ready for the after?
Oh, let me, wait.
Hold on, I gotta.
No, you gotta.
What?
You gotta
Okay, go.
and it's gonna like,
Okay, come on.
ooh.
Ta-da! Oh, it looks so good. Okay, so I got my desk from here, moved it here, so it extended it, so it looks way bigger. And then we moved that table to here. So we have, oh, thank you, sir. Got that stuff there, heat press, my boxes, and this is Carl's area. Facebook Market, love it. This is where we now keep our lighting, and then my printer and my file cabinet. Oh, thank you, sir.
Oh, sorry, we got it.
The hello. So that used to be in front of my desk, and then that was behind me over here. So then this is me. Let me work. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see my husband behind me. Oh. All right, perfect. And it is 8:10. So we're about to start printing. Love it. You like it?
I love it.
Oh, goodness. I need some curtains. All right, so it is, what time is it? Almost 10 o'clock, and we are making dinner. The boy's tearing up some ribs, and we're going to put it in the oven. Let's go take a look. Carl has started printing. Remember that? Carl started printing. So this is the shop. As you guys know, we start pretty late, but we are printing. Shaker, I'm cooking. We don't have the little AC on today. Fume extractor, put that outside. And let them cook. All right, let me go make sure the boy is good, and I will be back out here to check on that. Every time I come in here, you're like that with your hands behind your back. Man, funny. All right. What? Oh, I can smell that garlic. What?
Time.
Oh. All right, so Carl is changing the film. We have the boy helping today. Trying to get a sneak peek of him changing it. He's gotten a lot better, faster.
Ready?
Yep. Get the ribs out the oven. Not too far. Okay, come on, come on. They're so pretty. Okay, we're. Okay, come on. Put them just right there on the side. All right, so it's the end of the night. We have trash in the morning and recycling. So I'm kind of breaking down some of these boxes that we had in the corner to recycle and or save. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching a vlog in the day of my life. Flash Custom Transfers, running a business from our garage. If you guys are interested, is that a frog? Interested in any transfers, you can visit us at flashcustomtransfers.com. Any equipment, flashprintingdepot.com. Digital downloads, flashcustomtransfers.com, or just like, share, and comment on this video. And we will see you guys later. Bye.